And now, gearbox is gone.
Where? We lost it completely. Driving and then it was grinding and I don't know, we lost kind of everything.
Well, it's about time then.
Think it's time I don't know.
Yes, it's time. You've been running this thing in the ground, it's time to do something.
I got a set of black Rhino wheels.
That's enough, let's build a car.
Maybe let's do it, give it a paint job.
Yeah,
and
it looks sorry for itself. I think it's high time it gets a remake.
Let me get the wheels. Let's get it on and let's see what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Try again.
When I can sit.
Like Christmas. What do you think?
That's pretty. Why are they called black Rhino and the silver?
I don't know. Alright.
We're gonna have to see that the wheel nuts are the records for the wheels as well. Might be
Oh, there's a whole bunch of problems going on. That is nice.
Okay, we will definitely need wheel spacers.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Well, let's just stick them on.
No clearance to the inside for the tire.
Ooh.
So you need at least almost a 60 mm wheel spacer.
Because our tire's going to go about there.
Yeah.
Go
on this particular ride height.
on this ride height. So
we're gonna raise it.
we're gonna have to raise it a lot.
Yeah, which means a wheel arch will have to be cut out to about there, and then we'll, if we do a 60 spacer to get the tire clearance, we'll need wheel arches on it. Or else your tire's gonna stick out like a Hot Wheel car.
I like Hot Wheels.
Me too, I've got like 160 of them.
Focus!
Sorry.
Lift suspension as much as possible. So I reckon diff out, swap over, put it underneath the springs. Will that give us enough space?
That's a far easier job, and also we don't interfere with the current mounting position on the diff, plus it gives us the correct angle for the prop shaft to the gearbox.
But now we need fenders.
Yeah.
Don't we still have Jeep fenders, Wranglers?
Yeah, it should be around here somewhere. Look what I found!
Alright.
Fiberglass. These are reproduction fenders. I think they might be wide enough.
This is the ones from Keith Bright.
Yeah, bright glass.
Okay. That'll work.
That's nice.
Well, how much space have we got in the back here? Oh, we got nothing.
Now, we need to wheel space this whole thing out 60 mm.
60 mm. Gearbox is gone, it's the 4-speed.
The 4-speed is, with bigger wheels, the 4-speed would work okay. But your ratio is going to make the motor labor heavily because we're almost doubling up in tire size. So I would suggest we find a 5-speed so the ratio are closer together.
Alright. Get hold of TCA in Joburg.
The Gearbox guys.
Yeah.
Will do.
TCA, let's pull the box, let's ship it to them, and so they're going to have to sort out bell housings and everything for us. Okay, but then let's send prop shaft and everything through to them so they can just do the whole setup for us.
Yeah.
And just ship it back. Because I mean, that's like a few days. Color.
Not this color.
Pink.
Really?
No.
Really?
No.
Alright, so maybe we should go for something that like really stands out, you know?
You live on a farm, right?
Yeah.
Grass is green.
Money's green.
Money's green.
Alright. Maybe let's get hold of Tehran Let's see what green he's got. Let's go for a way out green. Look, and let's see what it looks like after that.
Okay, then there's gonna be green, right?
Alright.
And then it's gonna be just this big green blob of green with big wheels, the wheel arches. I really suggest we do them black. They are black gel coats, so.
I think the black's gonna be awesome.
And maybe get GT Graphics to put some of the logos on.
Yeah,
just to break the green.
Let's get some bullet custom branding and stuff all over it. Okay, but hold on. Now we got another problem. We got huge tires. We got huge wheels. We sorted out gearbox, so because I mean at the moment she taps out about 80.
Yeah, it's hugely underpowered.
So
You know what I'll do with underpowered vehicles?
you want to put a turbo on?
Yes.
What size?
T28 minimum size. Keep the 2-liter diesel that's in there and just play with the injector pump, just up the horsepower a little bit.
So we don't have to do anything to the motor.
No, we're not going to run 2-bar boost. We'll run about 0.7, 0.8.
But look, if we're gonna do it, let's do it properly. I mean, so let's do it. Let's get this thing stripped and let's get it off to. Let's get this thing painted as fast as we can.
What are we thinking interior? Pink, green, red?
Oh, he's pink. No, I just reckon black. Black. It doesn't show the dirt or the grease as fast.
Then the noise, because it's a diesel. This thing it sounds like a tin can inside. What can we do
I
about
think
that?
this is dynamite the crap out of it, man.
Cool.
But let's do the hood everything, because I mean it's got that real rear farm equipment sound at the moment. Let's tone it down. And if you're doing a turbo, I want it to sound like an 18-wheeler.
Nick.
Whoa! Yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. Should we start stripping?
Yeah.
On this side. Seriously?
This is Joe's button. We found this.
I have got a automotive.
I never know why, but she was blonde, well, she's okay. But I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip. Went to a downtown Mexican bar on the lake, and she's a sweet thing, but things weren't getting very far. Well, she was a blondie, but she's okay, and I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip. Come down and beat the mud, brother. Well, I ain't got no time for you. You trying to chat me up? No, I was trying to say, let her rip.
Nice. Okay. Like it. Like it.
I met the sweet thing, her name was Jill.
That's right.
Okay. So that's perfect.
Yeah.
That is absolutely perfect.
And I'm still looking for another stray. Let her rip. Don't you talk to me like that. Look, I was just trying to say. Hey amigo, go your own way. Hasta la vista and andale. Let her rip.
Okay, so is this color that you're telling us about?
Yeah, kind of a pearl candy. Okay, you can still see at the bottom here.
Yeah.
There's still silver and pearls. That's gonna take a while to mix in still. You wanna check it outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you turn it, you see the gold in it.
Yeah.
It gives you like a kind of a copper gold into like a lumo green. Kind of a, obviously below it we're gonna put a bright silver.
Okay.
To brighten up the bucky, and then we put this over.
Okay, cool.
So you happy with that?
I'm very, very happy
Can
with
we leave
that.
it like that?
Yeah,
We're
that's
cool.
perfect.
Okay. Bonnet black, green.
Hey, everything's green because we've got branding that we're going to put up afterwards. That's going to be in black at any rate.
On the back, standard, just paint.
Can you close these two holes for me as well?
Complete, just a plate over everything.
It's a very hodgepodge patch job. We can do a single plate right across.
Right across over this plate here, don't you
Over
can take
the
this one
plate,
out.
and yeah, you can literally put it over that plate.
And that's it. That's all we need. Hold on.
You need it by Monday.
Yeah, if we can. Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday for the latest.
Tuesday's
I'll let you know on Monday what time
Okay.
on Tuesday you can have it.